I know you want me. Every day not only when you're lonely, yeah. You see you think you know me, but you don't even know nothing about me, yeah. You see my thick thighs, that's when you look into my brown eyes. You see my lips always to make you switch sides.
What is up, y'all? It's Honest, and I am back with another one. So this is another video. It's episode 2 of becoming a nature conservator, or being a nature conservation student. If you are new to the channel, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Share this video with everyone that you love and those that you want to express more of your love to. And excuse me. And if you are a Team Sabi, hell, welcome back. Don't forget to like, comment, and share this video with everyone that you love. So guys, yeah, I have this much of workload, literally. So I asked my mom to copy some of my material. This material, most of it is it's online, and guys, it's so hard studying online. Like, don't let them lie to you. It's very hard studying online, because right now I have to take the information online, put it in book, not copy word for word, but you know, like reading and noting. That's not easy compared to, look at this learning unit 1 of conservation administration, the first one. This is learning unit 1. Learning unit 2, it's long, it's 12 pages, and they are writing in the littlest of fonts. Like, the font is so little. And this is learning unit 3. I have an assignment on Monday next week. It's due next Monday. I want to write it and finish it by Friday. I have one problem. When I write this assignment, so out of 50 it's written, I have to type it down. I have to write and then type it down, because I can't just type out of my head, right? And when the instruction that we're given here, it's very clear that every time I write a question, from question 1 until 5, I need to write which learning unit did I get this thing from. And I'm like, okay, it's fine, we'll find them. But nainking, this module has how many? It has, I think, 13 learning units, right? And 4 assignments. I don't know why the other ones are written like that, but 4 assignments. And this girl is stressed, because how am I gonna do all that? And this assignment opened on my birthday. Like, how am I gonna do everything? It's a lot of work, guys. Oof, it's a lot of work. I don't know why they didn't just give us study guides, or just prescribe a book once and then we'll find the book and do something. Oh, guys.
This day that God has given me, I'm not gonna waste this joy deep down inside me. I'm not gonna shake. Been stressed for so long, so stuck in my own way. So I'ma enjoy this moment. It's the day that the Lord has made. It got so hot I thought I wanna die. Blood dripping from my arm, just wanna feel inside. Too afraid to open up, so I'd rather hide. Man, I'm just so grateful that I made it this far. Almost thought I had to call my mama in a cup car. Betty's everything for me and everything I need. I would be nothing if you didn't give me the reason to be.
soften up the mess. Drop it in the water, let the daughter find her image with the rest. She'll be learning how to breathe, spinning through identity, reveal another pretty little scheme. Save her mind, hold her hand, and don't believe a lie. You understand me. Walk her down the valley, pack a piece of heaven for the bottoms of her feet. Teach her how to jump and how to stretch when she reach, like the angels do, and you gon' make it through now. Tell about the healer, greater is the one within, and call him as the leader. Teach her how to hold a pretty hand up to the sky, and never wait upon the giver, he'll deliver like a dealer. To take her higher, higher. Fly out the valley and the fire. Take her higher, higher. Fly up out the valley and the fire. Train her feet for running, show her every door and how the windows let the sun in. Copy out the key and tell her this is for becoming. Even in the fever, baby, cry and get to running. And tell her that you better get your bootstraps up. You're with the army, ready when the truth act up. Nothing can harm me. Yelling from the roof, I touch, put up a guard and count to 10. Lion's den, speaking with the higher pen. Can't be touched by fire then. Fast forward to the grown things now. I'm working on them soul things now. Forgiving all your old ways, but it's harder on the cold days. Cold days. Never been a product of a flawless environment. Never acted like I'm higher than you. And I still pray, dear God, won't you send me a break? Cause I need to get away, yeah. Dear God, won't you send me a break? Cause I need to get away, yeah. Cause I would rather be running away. I would rather be running. Dear God, won't you send me a break? Cause I need to get away. I need to get away now. I need to get away now.
for me. Ooh, wow, why you love me too? I'm nothing like you. Opposite of holiness was what I was, but I'm to you. See my soul and could you see why? Hold my hand high, could you see I?